Alright guys, so starting a little bit late today, but already started the day down a little bit. We're down $50, I think. Let's take a quick look. Yeah, we're down 56. We're currently in plug 125 shares, looking for the quick bounce. But I'm going to be trading the normal and looking at the scans. Normally I trade AMD, Neo, plug. Those are the big names. Tesla. I'll put Tesla here on my second screen. AMD. We're looking for Neo. Some of these stocks came down a bit, so we'll see if they. I still think they might go down, so we're looking for them to pop up, to go up, and then see at what level we want to short them. So that's the goal. And then I'll be looking at some of the small momentum stocks as well. Loss on those was a little trickier for me, just because you have to go in with a little bit bigger size. So let's see what we got. So I'm in plug, looking for a pop here. Was hoping for it to come a little bit down further, but we'll see what we get. For AMD, I'm looking at these levels right here, or maybe higher. Actually, I wouldn't mind seeing even higher to get short, or at this point to get long. So just joining trends. I got Tesla. I'm also looking at DDD, Bingo, some other small stocks. This is private. Add a little bit more there on plug. Trimming down my size on plug just because didn't like the sizing that I had, so a little bit more, a little bit better here. All right, so just make that a little bit there. All right, so we're up $21, recovering some of the losses from earlier this morning, where I think it was either CHRA, which one was it? CHRA OBSV were the two movers this morning. We have SOS, but right now I'm concentrating on. I'm gonna put the KNG here, just because I like this. Come on, click. BKNG, Neo, not Neo, what else? BBB might be interesting. What else I want to look at? The pen, maybe? Actually, I will look at one of these. Let me see. Oh, let's put this on number 6. There we go. We're ripping now on plug, so I am going to take some more. I think I'm going to take all of it and just, what is it? 46. See if I can get filled in at 54. It's dropping back a bit. What do we got? 6. Market's about to open in a few seconds, so OBSV is the one that looking a lot better. It's pushing up right now, so let's see. There we go. We got filled in on plug, and let's go get this. So we're down now to $29. That's okay. Let's take a look. All right, so AMD is pushed up a little bit to that 9107 area. Plugs coming down, so let's see what happens. Let's change these today. OBSV looking good, looking pretty good. Might be the one that I trade. Oh, sorry guys, you're not even looking at my screen. Hold on one second. There we go. Sorry about that. All right, so AMD ripped up. I like that. I want to see if I could get in short. Missed it. Missed it. All right, so got in quick scalp, $40 on AMD. All right, that's not what I wanted to do there. I actually wanted to short. I don't know if I got, let's see if we got in. Okay. All right, so we took another quick scalp on AMD, up $118. Pretty good there. Let's relax a little bit. The time we got. I want to do clear all sizes here. Okay. BNGO. This is correct. Let me see. 91. $92.09, is that right? I'm not sure if it's. Okay, now I think I am in. Let's see if this all thing works. We got run. Close. Okay, I'm interested in these moves. What are we in? 105. I think we're getting some profit back, or not. Here's plug coming down. So I think this one has potential. Gonna add a little bit more if I can. What else we have? We got back. That one I'll probably let it play out. Pins. Not really much. AMD fastly going up. Oh, I like that. I like that. I'll probably let that. I'll probably take that for now. What do we have? What else do we have? We got run. And I'll probably take off AMD. We got beg. We got plug. FSLR. FSLR. Let's stop this for now because I don't want to lose anything right now. We got run. Look at AMD. What is AMD trying to do? What is Neo trying to do? All right, so Neo's coming down. I think plug wants to come down more. We're gonna. Good morning, y'all. Let's go. TM Browns, thank you for joining. Finish set up the kids with their school. Let's get to work. I'm already up, guys, so I'm really excited. So far, I'm up. I'm currently in plug, looking at to fade. I think it has some downside potential, only small. So there it is. It's coming down a little bit. What else we got? What else we got? What else we got? So up $143. I'll take it. I have my bot also working, so I was trying to manage that at the same time, and that was getting a little complicated. I'm gonna flatten this out here on plug. Let's see where it wants to land. I'm looking at Tesla as well. I was looking at DKNG, and let's look at one of the smalls. Okay, so OBSV is pushing higher now. Can it break higher day? It actually did. Do I want to join? That's the question. I actually want to join. I kind of like this. This thing has. I'm gonna join 50 shares. Let's see. Okay, so there it is. We're up a bit. Here's plug making a comeback. So I'm glad I sold there. This thing could run to 434. So I put it over here just so I could see what this thing wants to do. $61.49 would be the level for me to kind of enter on plug for the long play. Small, really small. AMD as well. You guys should missed it. Just missed it. All right, so I just canceled that. I was gonna enter AMD, but no, I'm gonna leave it alone for now. I don't wanna let the market dictate what it wants to do. I'm up $143. I think I'm good. So plug is trying to go to VWAP. I'm gonna see if it has more down. What else are we looking at, guys? What else are you guys looking at? Let me see. Neo is the high volume for on my stocks. We got OBSB and SHRA. That one tanked. So I'm still looking. Okay. So I'm up $5 on OBSV. Pretty nice. Let's take half here. Okay, there's plug coming back to VWAP. Can this thing push up? This can potentially push up, so gotta be careful here if I do. I took all of OBSV. Now it just went to 394. Oh well, you win some, you will lose some. GME. What do you guys want to do? I'm going to wait. Now it's a waiting game. OBSV, there it goes. It goes above 4s. It's probably gonna go without me. Yep. Now I'm just waiting for Neo, Plug, and AMD to kind of pick a trend. It's almost 9:45. I do have a bot here that I built using Python, and these are. Also, I'll show you the earnings on it for now. Some of the plays that the bot took. I think I lost here. I lost 180 on back. I kind of cut it short quickly. FSLR, I went up, small size. Falsely was a stock that I would not have traded. Um, and what else? Pins $1.59. It's very small, and run $1.80. And these are my own trades. So the bot, I think the bot does a lot better than me. So the way the bot works is that I will run it now to pick the low and high of days of all these stocks that I currently watch, and then see if they break those. It will enter with a bracket order. So we'll just wait until like 9:45. Well, now is it's a good time. So I believe it's this one. Let me see. Just want to clear this out. So lower day, where is it? Logic test. It's not giving me the. Actually, this is the button. Sorry. All right, so there you see now AMD lower date. So I am going to click this and actually clear my size and see if the bot decides to do anything. And you'll see it here if it wants to enter a trade based on the high and low prices. So there it says AMD. There it is. You see enter a order there. Anything that doesn't work, it'll just error out. Did I just get in on something? Just enter back again. We'll make sure we don't lose all the money. Plug. It's so here AMD, it wants to break. It's close to. It's about 30 cents away from the low of day, so that's why I have it to enter at the low of day. But if it does come back here, I'll just cancel it out, and then it'll try to re-enter on the upside. I think it will. Look at Bingo. BNGO. Let's take a look at Bingo. There's run. Put the bot enter on run. Okay. Why is Bingo not? Bingo's up huge. Well, I missed it, I think. Let's see. Robinhood. So I'm in a Bingo 660 on Robinhood, very 0.05, and it just ripped to 866. Jeez. Should have had bought in. Can it break high day? Trade. I want to see if I'm gonna buy one share and see if this counts as a day trade. All right, so I'm in at 868. Let's see if sell my one share at limit order 9.5. Let's see if that. No. Stop. Stop. I'm gonna hit you. You're supposed to be reading, not playing time. He's the one on the break, not you. How many pages have you read? I'm gonna go over there. Every time you're on Flex, you're supposed to be reading. Flex is gonna be done in 10 minutes. You read 0 pages? Huh? Huh? Do I look stupid to you? You've been for 28 minutes. 0 pages? What have you done? And what are you doing now? Finish that. Every time he goes on break at this time in Flex, you start playing around. Do you think it's funny? There you go. Here's your snack. And you're supposed to be practicing your math facts when you finish, not playing. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, I'm gonna have to delete this video. Anyways, all right. So my bot just bought some other things. Oh, there's the rip, and there I just sold. I just want to see if this is a day trade. Consider a day trade. Where's my account settings? Account information. Oh, where is it? Where is this? Day trades left. Oh, come on. Let me know. Free stocks, investing. All right, so that consider one day trade. Neo's coming down. What else are we in? We're losing some money. We're in Chewy. We're down $11 on Chewy. That's the bot, so I'll let the bot work. And we're in pins, very small, 10 shares, and Beck also down 13 bucks. Not liking the bot at this point in time, but we'll see if so we got in on Bingo, 50 shares, small, and I want to get in on Neo. What is Neo doing here? 58, down to 58. Come on, can we get up? And our OBSV also ripped up, so here's Bingo making moves. I'm going to join the ask here. Just trim my size. Alright, so we just made about, currently up $8 on Bingo. Let's see how much it wants to go. We got Peloton also that's looking to get bought. Oh, come on, Bingo, go. Alright, so I like this push by Plug. Should have gotten in here at this level, key level from, I think I marked this yesterday or some other time. So it bounced right off of it. I don't remember where I put this trend line. This is price level 10. I'm gonna flatten Bingo, even though it might have some more potential. I'm okay. Those smaller stock names are harder for me to trade. So we're up 134. The bot is still working its thing. We're, I guess, losing less on BEKE. Now it's up to the big boys. Tesla's plug. Where can we get in? Here's AMD coming down, and I'm looking for the opening range break. Got in with 100 shares, trying to see if we make some moves. Let it work. AMD's big is our biggest winner today with $112. So it looks like it's curling down. There's that level right there of resistance. We'll want to see if it breaks it. Took off some there. It already met that level, so it's I would consider the first time as the bounce back. So I would have entered here for a long play. I'm not sure if I did, but now I think it's probably going to get weak, and it's probably going to actually break down to this level. So we'll let that play. Bingo's coming down, so I'm glad I sold that. What else do we have? So let's take a look. We're still 138. So we got pins. So pins is something that the bot traded. So let's look at pins, because I think it still has two. So bot got in. We made what, $6? Very small. Again, 10 shares was here. So I should let this run. What is that? I'm just gonna put a stop and see if this thing wants to get above here. I'll put a stop here at 70.40. We'll put 70.60. I'm gonna let that work. Here's AMD coming in. So did I get filled? I got filled for an additional 35. So we're up to $85. So that, again, kind of was anticipating that. So I got a little bit before in on small size, or not small size, 100 shares. Now I'm in with 35 plus. So total 85 shares. Here's plug coming down. Nice. Kind of I like that. DKNG is also coming down, so let's wait for Tesla. Undecided. I want to go in on what is run. Is run up $8? Nice. Again, another trade that I would not have taken, but the bot did take it, so I'll take that. $8. It was small size, so eventually I'll start scaling up these trades by the bot, by my Python bot. I want to look back at NEO. Those are the main watches. I mean, I could only watch about six stocks. That's why I really want to rebuild this bot. So here's a DKNG going down. It's ripping down. So I'm gonna enter long here for a quick scalp. Come on, can we get in? Bounce back. I can. There it is. Come on, come on, come on. There we're entering Chewy. Alright, so I'm probably going to flatten this out for now. Bingo's coming down, so good thing I didn't. So got $11 on DKNG. Let's see if it has more downside. 52.90, so not sure if it'll get down there. We'll mark it off here. Alright, so we're up 178. Plug seems to be holding steady at the 61.72 level, kind of 62 level. That's the level from like 3 days ago. Remember that level now. Here is, I'm not sure if I'll get. I want to let this play out, but also don't want to lose. Give back all my gains. All right, Neo kind of holding steady at this level here. What else we have? We have FSLR, pins. Chewy just 9 shares. So, oh, actually, Chewy just. That's Peloton. I'm actually interested on the potential upside for Neo. Oh, come on. Come on, come on. I'm just going to cut this down. Just don't want to risk it right now. Okay, here's Neo coming down. There's a DKNG came down more, so I'm going to look for the upside potential. All right, there's AMD coming down a little bit more. We're going to flatten this one out. Tesla's coming down as well. Plug's coming down. Okay, can't. All right, here's there's back. So I lost out on back, which is fine. What is this? 50. Made a little bit more on DKNG. Tesla's really coming down. back to that 848 level. And it kind of quickly bounce off of it. I'm gonna take a little bit more here of AMD. I'm gonna enter here, unplug. See if we get that bounce. So the last pins, for I guess for a loss. So stocks are coming down right now. I want to be careful because I'm currently. Let's go back to my bot. Where is it? I'm gonna stop this for now because I'm taking a beating right now. Back down to $70. Here's this level of. I mean, this thing could go down. So we might start cutting our losses just because. Let's look at the SPY. What the SPY is doing. Yeah, the SPY is tanking right now. I think AMD is probably going to give us the better potential right at the moment. Back. So only the stock that my bot took on the downplay are the ones winning. What I gotta do here? Pretty much. I don't know. I'm just gonna start taking my losses here and seeing if we have a bounce play here. So Tesla just went down a lot. So today's the 15th, and that's what people were talking about. Oof, Tesla just took a major dump. This is crazy right now. This is where there's a lot of opportunities if you just wait for the first green candles. Um, 1 major downside as well. Take a quick look. Yeah, everything is dropping. It's the 15. I should have been aware. I should have held off and waited. But I think we're still in a good position to minimize the losses here. Start playing the bounce back, just like right here. Just sold there. Maybe not that much. Actually, maybe I did. All right, so we're down. We're making progress. I think here's where things start shifting, and we start reducing our size. I'll start selling the bid here. Just because 89. All right, so we're down to $81. So I kept my cool, my composure. Let's see if we could just make this money back. let's sell this right here, trim it, let's sell a bit there. So the day could have gone a lot worse. So if you would have added all the way down, you would have been screwed. So the best thing was to wait for these levels. These levels give us some indications of some bounce back. So that's what I'm seeing here. And now we're repositioning ourselves to see things pick up. I mean, things could go down further, but I do think things will bounce back at a certain amount, a certain point. Seems similar with Tesla. I mean, that's a big drop because I mean Tesla still has some room to drop. Let's see. Sold some more of DKNG. I don't like DKNG first. We got Peloton. How about Penn? Penn's also making a bit of a 87. Can we get up there? We probably can. All right. Well, we got past that 1 hour. I mean, it was a good day. Luckily, I was able to minimize it. If I could just take off $67 loss, I'm okay with that. But obviously, this is where we could take some advantages. Seeing which one. Okay, there it is. We got plug trying to make a comeback. Tesla's trying to make a comeback. That was a tough hour. Let's. Okay, there's AMD coming down more. Not what I want. Okay, but I took it. My intention there to take 100, but that's an okay spot. That's the least of my worries right now. Here's DKNG. Let's see if this thing can push 17 or 12. Try to sell there. Have to take my loss there. I'm gonna be closing down today early. It's my wife's birthday. That would have been nice. Hey honey, look. The stock market is tanking. Look how much money I lost. Pretty sure there's gonna be a lot of people losing. Thank you. All right, so here's so Tesla's coming down, plugs coming down. Um, I don't know if I should join the short, but trying to manage my. Should have definitely stopped. I think I have to get off here in the next 5 minutes. All right, guys, I'm gonna get off here. My wife's about to wake up. I gotta see how I cut my losses here today and come back stronger. Yes, to on Monday. So we kind of gave back everything we earned yesterday. That's okay. I think they still think there's potential today to pick up some stocks. So